Want to replace the door rubber on your washing machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: pliers, a socket spanner, a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new door rubber. Step 1. Remove the washer door. Loosen the screws on the hinge and carefully remove the door from the appliance. Step 2. Detach the old door rubber. Remove the spring and detach the door rubber from the front panel. Remove the front panel to access the door rubber more easily. To do this, first take off the top and remove the control panel. Then remove the locking ring and retaining clip. Loosen the counterweights if they are in the way. Then remove the door rubber. Step 3. Insert the new door rubber into the washing machine. Place the new door rubber back where the previous cuff was by inserting it into the groove near the drum and securing it again with the fastening clamp. When attaching the door rubber, it may be useful to ask an extra person to hold it in place. Step 4. Put all parts back in place. Put back the counterweights and secure them. Reattach the locking ring properly. Then reinstall the front panel, control panel and top. Replace the door rubber properly around the door opening of the front panel. Press the new door rubber firmly and reinstall the retaining spring. Place the door back on the washing machine. Tighten the screws of the door hinge back onto the appliance. You have replaced the door rubber and the washing machine is ready to use again.